LATTAFA. I have known perfume from the Middle Eastern. I have known Arabic perfume, Kayali, and others. But when it comes to LATTAFA, this is the most popular Middle Eastern perfume house that I have ever known. I'm telling you, I was bombarded with LATTAFA's perfumes, videos on my feeds everywhere. I was like, I gotta get it. But of course, where I live, we don't even have regular perfumes. Most of the time, the perfume that we receive here are the ones that have been around for 5 years, 2 years. Like, it's rare to get a perfume that has been launched like 1 year before. I have to travel to Johannesburg, and this is a lot of trouble. I know you're gonna say buy online, shipping is even a hassle. I'm telling you, shipping these things, many of them, they'll be like, no shipping to your place. I have to ship to South Africa. And for the items that have to be shipped here, trust me, the shipping fees is even double of the item price. It's a hassle. I can't do that. I know the intro is a bit long, but guys, I have a little story. Hear me out. Just hear me out. My LATTAFA story. My struggle to get LATTAFA. Okay? I was like, I gotta try this, but where I went on the LATTAFA's website, they cannot even ship in Africa. I went to another place, some of the website. We learn everything on YouTube, guys. Someone was recommending another website that is a bit legit. I went ahead and they said they don't ship here. I have to ship to South Africa. I was preparing myself to buy online and ship in South Africa, and I'll go. I don't know. I'll find a way to ship them here. But then one day I just saw the LATTAFA perfumes and some Middle Eastern perfumes houses in one of the shop. Yes, the intro is long, but this is a story, because you guys don't talk about the struggle of us here in the Southern Africa, in Africa in general, getting perfume. We love perfume. We are getting the perfume industry. Okay, guys, but it's so difficult. So one of the houses, one of the shop here, it's like a wellness pharmacy beauty type of shop. I went there, saw a lot of Middle Eastern. I also saw LATTAFA. That's a little bit story. That's how I bought my first LATTAFA perfume, which is the Khamrah Qahwa. Let's unboxing now. This is a true unboxing. I bought it like a week ago. Didn't have time. Now it's time. Alright. Looks like this. Okay, how do I open the box? I think you just pull it in all her majesty. Khamrah Qahwa. Oh, she is beautiful. The bottle, the presentation is to die for. You can't even believe that this is a very affordable perfume. The bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's plastic, but nevertheless it looks beautiful and it's affordable. All right. All right, so this is supposed to be having beautiful notes. It's supposed to be warm, spicy, beautiful note of coffee, tonka bean, and praline. Let me just tell you about the notes, okay? The note, this has note of cinnamon, cardamom, ginger. That's the top note. Middle note, we have praline. Oh my God, I love praline. We have candied fruits, white flowers. In the base note, we have vanilla coffee, tonka bean, benzoin, and musk. This has some of the beautiful notes that I love. I love praline, I love white flowers, I love coffee, and there is tonka bean as well. Things that I love. So I am sure I'm gonna really love it, because when I tried it, like a little, you know, dabbing on my hand, I loved it. But now I hope when I spray it, I'm gonna love it. Obviously, it's an oriental vanilla perfume. I don't know. They said it's a dupe of something, but I don't know about that. We're gonna try to see which dupe is for. Now, look at the mist. Ooh. Smells amazing. Tonka bean, praline, creamy, lactonic. coffee, flowers, vanilla, everything. Khamrah Qahwa. Oh my God. It's not very strong, but then again, it's strong. It's strong, but not like too overly strong. But you can tell this is not a weak perfume. This is thick and heavy, but then again a little bit soft, feminine. The praline, the tonka, the coffee, the vanilla, everything together. The flowers are here, but yes, they are there, but they are not like in other perfumes. Here it's a good amount. What is a little bit potent here? What the heck? It is coming. It's becoming potent. It's becoming stronger. The opening, it's strong, but it's a little bit moderately strong. And then you can smell like the first burst, like 1-2 seconds, it's a little bit softer, a little bit spicy. The ginger, you can tell the cinnamon is there for like 1-3 seconds, but the 4th-5th second, girl, the praline is hitting. The praline is hitting in 7 seconds. I can smell the tonka and the coffee. And then in 10 seconds, 15 seconds, everything comes together. The praline, the coffee, the tonka, it's a little bit, you know, not overpowering, but it's taking over. It's taking over and it's coming. And it's like, I'm here. We are here. You have to smell us. You have to. The benzoin as well. Oh my God. This reminds me of something like a niche perfume, or maybe a very expensive designer perfume, type of like limited edition. Let me try to search which dupe is this for. So Google is telling me that this is supposed to be an inspired, not really a dupe, inspired by Kilian Angel's Share. Oh my God, this is Kilian is in my wish list. And yeah, I just know that I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna love Kilian. Yeah, if Kilian is, I know the dupe are not like 100%, or maybe the inspiring are not 100%, but if Kilian is along these lines, I am going to get it. It's a little bit, it's like everything together blended so well. This is beautiful. Oh my God. And the other day when I dabbed a little bit in this the store, it lasted a long time, the whole day, that little dab. And you can tell like it's a little bit like oily. I'm sure it's gonna last for a long time. This is gonna be the perfume of the day. So guys, this has the notes of cinnamon, ginger, white flowers, tonka bean, coffee, praline, benzoin, everything that I love. And this is a good one. In this price, I bought it 1,050 rand. 1,050 rand is it's about like $55. And remember, I am in Lesotho where we don't receive and the shipping is very difficult. Okay, so and buy this amount in this beautiful perfume at 1,000. I think this is a good deal for me, because if I have to buy it online, shipping here will cost me 3 or 4 times the price, the original price. So I think it's a good deal for me, and I love this. I think you can wear it in colder months, or maybe date nights, or maybe at night, or maybe when it's cold. But then again, like I said, you can pull off whatever you want anytime. I don't have perfume for summer, perfume for spring, I wear whatever I want according to the mood. But then again, if you are the type of categorizing, this is not for a soft girl era, this is not for a clean girl, this is a heavy eater. It's still coming. The more it lingers, the more it becomes potent. Like my room is filled, guys. And the sillage, I can already tell the potency. I can already tell is not a joke. This is not a mild to moderate. This is a strong one. Okay, Khamrah Qahwa by LATTAFA. Love it for first impression. I am impressed and I am loving it. Now there is so many fakes. I bought this at the Chinese when I was in South Africa. I really needed to buy. I was like, I don't want to buy online. I want to smell these things first. And I googled where's the shop where I can buy LATTAFA perfume. They gave me an address. It was in the China Mall. I went there. I saw this. It was 80 rand, and this was like 70 rand. This is Eclair, and this is Assad, I think, Bourbon. But then you can tell that these are the fakes because look at the box. And when I saw the Bourbon, the Bourbon is not written here. And also, I don't know why is it 80 rand at the Chinese mall. They told me because they buy a big amount, that's why it's cheap. But then but I smelled it. It's good and lasts long. Like it was giving. I don't know. This fake. And the Eclair also is like fake because it's like Clive, Doris. Is it like it's there is nowhere written LATTAFA. Yeah, but it's Clive. I was like, what the heck? Okay, let me just have a sniff. And also this one is good. This is two type of like very gourmand, very sweet, like it's like milk maybe. No, it's like chocolate, you know, hot chocolate with a lot of sugar, too sweet. But it was good. It was giving and it lasts long. So these ones, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Where is it? Where's the other one? Where are you? Okay, here. So this one are the fakes. Really, I bought at the Chinese and I can tell they are the fakes, but they smell good and they last long. I don't know. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to say that how it was a bit of story, a bit of journey for me to get LATTAFA, but I am very happy to have this. I'm so happy with this one. I also saw the other LATTAFAs like Hair Confession, and it looks legit and things like that. I'm gonna go buy them. And also like I said, I was recommended a website in South Africa, but they don't ship here. It's called, what do you call it, Dubai Perfume Cafe.com, something like that. So I went ahead and placed a big order. They're gonna ship in South Africa. I think month's end I'm gonna travel to go get, or maybe I'm gonna just find someone to bring it here. I am getting into the perfume industry, into the Middle Eastern, like, you know, very popular perfume industry. Guys, receive me. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, and let's collaborate. I know my channel is a teeny tiny, but I am going to, you know, do my best and give it all my all. I have finally my first, because these are not the first. I cannot count this trash right here. This is fake from the Chinese. So I am this is my first for me. All right guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if it was entertaining for you or useful for you, informative for you, whatever it is. Tell me in the comment section, and always remember to smell good. Nice smell, smelling good queen, even on a budget. Thank you so much for giving me your time. I will see you in another one. Ciao.